Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Avalon Watch Curve 3 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to try and download and check the available watch faces for our Curve 3 smartwatch. We'll also add our own custom wallpaper. So if you are interested to know more about the dials or the watch face section for the Curve 3 smartwatch, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the preloaded watch face first for our Curve 3 smartwatch. You can use the crown button here to change the watch face. Okay, so we'll rotate this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I like this one. 7, 8, 9, and as you can see, we do have 9 watch faces. A combination of analog and digital watch faces. Here on the smartwatch, we have an option to lock the watch face, as you can see here. If you want to download additional watch faces, you can go to the support app, the JU Pro app, available for Android and iOS. We tried to check the watch face section here, and seems like the JU Pro do have a disappointing list of watch faces, and at the same time very slow in loading the dials. As you can see here, some did not load, some are loaded, but it's a combination of digital and analog watch faces. There's no categories, but anyway, we'll try to have a sample. We'll download a watch face for our smartwatch. So to download the watch face, for example this one, just tap on it, then select start, then it will automatically download the watch face on our smartwatch. So let's wait for it. It is a bit slow compared to other support app, so let's wait for it. As you can see here, it's now downloading for our Curve 3 smartwatch. So download watch dial resources. So let's wait for it. So as you can see here, the JU Pro is easy to install, but the problem is it has a very limited numbers of watch faces, and the quality is not so good. I don't know why Avalon choose the JU Pro app for its Curve 3 smartwatch. Okay, based on our experience, it's always a disappointing app for smartwatches. Dafit or the Lexus Fit, I think is much better compared to the JU Pro, if based on my experience. So let's wait for it, and we have here the watch face. Okay, this one is okay. So we still have additional watch faces here, Christmas theme watch faces. So this one did not load properly. We tried to load it several times, so it seems like the server for the JU Pro watch faces to have an issue. Again, if you're going to download, just tap on this watch face, then select start, or tap on start. For the custom wallpaper, tap on the custom wallpaper here, select the photo that you like to have as a wallpaper. Let's select this one, then tap on check. You can change the location of the time here. You can show some of the contents or the features on the time, and you can change also the color. After that, just tap on start. Similar to downloading watch faces, it will load the watch face or the wallpaper automatically on the smartwatch. Just wait for the completion. Then we'll check later if our previous watch face has been overwritten, or you can download one watch face and one wallpaper on the smartwatch. Let's see. So switching watch background 10%. Let's wait for it. So it's more than 50% now. We do have a very good internet connection right now, but as you can see here, the downloading of watch faces is still very slow. Okay, it's more than 90% now, and it's almost complete. So let's wait for it. 99%, and we have here our custom wallpaper. So far it works with limited options for the wallpaper. There's no gallery option, just one photo, just one wallpaper for your smartwatch. So let's see again. Let's check. Did it overwrite our previous downloaded watch face? Okay, as you can see, it has a limited storage for watch faces. One wallpaper, and if you download a different watch face, it will erase the previous watch face here. And if you download a new watch face, it will also overwrite the wallpaper. So one picture or one watch face at a time, which is disappointing for our Curve 3 smartwatch. Okay, I've been trying to load this in our fast internet connectivity, but seems like there's an issue for our JU Pro. Okay, we'll not explore the dial market anymore, as we are just wasting time downloading or checking out the list of watch faces here, as it takes time to download. Okay, previously we already loaded it all, then again it's gone. Some of the watch face is not appearing again. So there's really an issue with a JU Pro. It's been 2 days. Okay, it's always like this. Again, so that's it for our review of the Aolon or the Aolon Curve 3 smartwatch watch faces. So far, our experience with the dial or the dial market is not good with the Curve 3. I do hope that they will pick a different app next time, support app next time for their wearables. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.